My brand new immersive wearable speaker from Sony just arrived. I ordered it on Amazon, and it is the SRS WS1. And let's open it up. All right. So this is the wearable speaker, and looks like this is a docking station. I'm going to open it up and I'll be right back. All right, so I have everything out of the box now, and each of these pieces was very thoroughly wrapped, and any connectors had little plasticky tape-like cellophane pieces on them to keep them safe. As you can see here, this is how the portable speaker connects. It just kind of sits and docks in here, and when you put it down, it just kind of snaps right in. It comes with, and you can see it kind of magnetizes to it. See the little wavy lines right here? This is the vibration button. This lets you be immersed into your video game or your movie. The feedback is great. You can turn it on or off, and it really feels like you're right there in the middle of a video for a good jump scare. So it comes with that, which is plugged in by the micro USB into a regular USB, and it comes with this one, as well as the transmitter. Connects the same way. Each has their own plug. Then there is this connector here, as well as your standard speaker connector. And I lost it back in all of this. And this connector as well. Let's see here. There we go. And that goes into the digital in on the back of this transmitter. Let me unplug this so you can get a better view. This has the DC in, the digital in, and the analog in. There we go. And you can see where the pairing and the reset is on it. All right, so there you have it. This is the unboxing of the immersive wearable speaker. I'm very excited to try it. In my house, it is quite frequent for people to complain that they have headaches, because I have a little bit of trouble hearing from an ear problem when I was a kid. Not enough to need hearing aids or anything like that, but enough that I do tend to like listening to stuff a lot louder. And I'm also curious to see how this will work if I'm in the kitchen cooking and doing other loud things that I typically have to have the TV louder for. I'm very interested to see if this will make that experience better. So I'm very excited to see how the Sony SRS WS1, the brand new immersive wearable speaker, to see how it works, and be looking for a follow-up. Thanks. Bye.